Well, you know, kids, sometimes in life you get thrown a screwball or a basket of lemons or a big festering pile of dog poop thrown on you. Kind of what happened to me. I broke my hand. So I was out in Fish Creek Park about a week ago, scouting locations for a engagement style shoot that I was doing, and literally just tripped over my own 2 feet and went fist first into a rock. It's very similar to what a boxer's break would be. I broke the 4th metacarpal bone. They say 4 to 6. Some people say 6 to 8, just depending. We're waiting to see on the 2-week anniversary x-rays to see what it's going to be like. But we're going to try to figure some stuff out today. We're going to see if I can actually photograph with one hand. It's a pretty good test. I can't hold the camera because I can't use it I can't use my hand for weight bearing, so I can't hold the camera. So it'll be all on tripod. We'll see if I can get my camera on a tripod. I don't know anything yet, but you're going to come along for the journey. Little heads up, might be some swearing in this video. We'll see. Can't move my arm that way. So we'll put it on in the reverse. Now, I happen to be left-handed and I broke my left hand. So let me tell you the fun it is to try to write your name, to try to brush your teeth, try to shave, and we won't talk about going to the washroom, because that is a journey you don't want to know about. Before we get started, I don't know how Rick Allen, the drummer for Def Leppard, does it. One arm. Man's a beast. I might use some of the weeds in the foreground here, but the water is perfectly calm. There are some ducks over, let me turn this way. There are some ducks over to this side here, and there's also a couple of muskrats that are causing a little bit of reflection, but we're in golden hour right now. Fall in Calgary. Wow, eh? Here we go. Don't laugh at me. So, first, camera bag comes off. Careful not to wreck the hand. The worst part about this kind of injury is I only have a finger and a thumb. And I can't really squeeze right now yet because I'm still not a week into the injury. So let's get the legs out. Normally, when I compose a shot, I hold a camera and move up and down. Can't really do that right now. So we're just gonna try to get one shot and be done. This is a bit of a challenge. Kind of a challenge I didn't want. Are you laughing at me yet? Okay, legs extended. Click, click, click. Here we go. I'm on a bit of a bank, so I've got to lower the back legs, get them stable, and we'll raise the head up. Didn't lock the leg in. Last thing I want is more bad luck. Task 1 done. Now to get the camera out of the bag and on the tripod. Camera out of the bag should be easy. Getting on the tripod, that's gonna be a stunt. One-handed. Lens cap off, lens hood on. Got a polarizer already on it from the last time I went shooting. So the good thing is I don't have to screw on a polarizer. Normally when I shoot, I have a polarizer on. So I can figure out the opening of my camera bag. lens hood. Lens cap. Get the bag out of the way. Check. Now the tricky part. Shoot. Ow. Ow. Is that on? On? Not locked in. Crooked. Bugger. Okay. This clock locked on. Somehow it doesn't want to lock in. Okay, we're locked in. We did it. Excellent. Okay, something cool is happening. Look at this. There, I'm going to try to focus in on them. Right there, we have canoers. Let me lower down here. So I'm going to go vertical for this shot. I'm going to try to get the canoers in because they're a nice, really golden light. Now, can I bend the camera without breaking it? Loosen it slightly. Drop it on my forearm. Where there's a will, there's a way. Now, composition. So I've got a couple of weeds in the foreground. I just have to dial in my polarizer before we get going here. I have to take the lens cap off. Dial in that polarizer to make the sky nice and dark. There we go. I'm going to zoom in probably to about 50 millimeters. Yes. Then we get the nice reflection of the trees. Lock it in place. Now, great thing about the Canon is flip out screen. Go to live view. I'm going to pop on a 2-second timer as well to get rid of any type of shake. That golden light is nice. I'm going to wait for that canoe. I'm going to wait for the canoe to turn. Focus in on them. F8, ISO's 100. Shutter speed is 1/50th of a second. Here they're starting to turn. Hopefully the other canoe will be out of frame. And blast the shot. We'll do that again. I'm going to go 70 mil, go right in tight, focused. I'm going to drop my horizon down and pop the shot. Just a good intro shot, kind of establishing what's going on. Now let's try, change my composition. Oh, that didn't feel good. I'm going to go wide. I want to get basically horizon in the center. Actually, I'm going to go vertical for this one. I really like this big tall weed that's in the front here. So let's go vertical. Come out. I'm going to do 3 exposures here just because the weed's in a little bit of a shade. I don't know if I need to do it or not, but I just want to do it just to make sure that I've got it exposed for it. So just a little bit of a bracket. There we go. I'm so crooked. Actually, that's kind of nice there. I can't really tell what I'm seeing. Actually, that's not so bad. Just by accident. I've got the weeds in the foreground, trees up top, golden light. I'm just going to wait for that water to just relax a little bit here. Here we go. So let's pop it. I actually like that shot a lot. One-handed photography. It's a bit of a pain in the butt. Oh boy. So the big question is, can Stumpy McGee here change a lens? I don't know. Don't laugh at me. Lens cap. Gotta get my lens cap. Lens cap is here. Now, can I do it one-handed? Oh, look at that. One down. Grab the long lens. I'm going to put a 200 on. 200. Can I put it on one-handed? Oh, that's nice. These are just trying to figure out life shots right now. Try to raise. Crap. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Let's see where we're at. Good thing we've got the live view going on. Lens has been changed. Got my composition. There's a photographer down there. I think it's a photographer, but there's somebody in a really bright white dress. If they weren't in the shot, that would be really nice. I've got the horizon dead center. What I'm looking for this shot is to basically make it look like which way is up. Kind of like in Stranger Things, the upside down. When you look at the picture, you don't know which is up, which is down. The water's really nice and flat right now. There is somebody taking a few pictures there of a little girl. Now that I see a little closer, but I may be able to remove them in post. So I'm just gonna get the shot right now just to make sure I got it. 1/50th, f8, ISO's 100. Like I said, these aren't gonna be anything amazing tonight. This is about just trying to practice to figure out how am I gonna use my stump to take a shot. Last test of the night. See if I can put the camera stuff back in the bag, get the tripod back on the bag, and get out of here. Oh boy, here we go. So if I hook, oh, there we go. Yes. Lens cap on in the bag. That's good. One down. That's done. Other side. So far, so good. Now, the challenging part. Flip it. I've got to thread it and tightening. The tightening is going to be the difficult one. Let's get the tripod. Almost. There's one. So the big problem. How do I do up the straps? I can't pinch right now. Ouch, nope, crap. Can I do it with one hand? Nope. So, I can't carry it in my hand because I gotta carry that tripod that the camera's on. There's only one way to do it. Good thing is it's my camera bag. One. Don't show this to my dentist. There we go. Oh, you know, fall is such a short period of time in Alberta, where the leaves are just thick and full still on the trees with bright, vibrant color. I needed to take an evening to kind of figure out how am I going to do this. And I think I can do it. So hang tight, stick with me, you know, for the next couple of weeks, but we'll get it together. In the meantime and in between time, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll catch you next time.
And as always, guys, please rock the subscribe button and ring the bells for notifications. We'll check in next time.